English is the official business language across the world. It is essential for the children of India to get the basics of the language right. Recognizing this need, SpellBee was launched in 2009 to educate Indian students to spell correctly. What started as a focused initiative in 2009 has grown to be the largest school-level spelling competition in India in 2014. Classmate SpellBee 2014, brought to you by Classmate and Radio Mirchi, showcased a spectacular battle between the most talented spellers from across the country. Classmate believes that each child is unique. Season 6 of the competition is inspired by this belief. The theme for this year is Every Child is Unique and So is Every Word, and centers around Classmate's brand philosophy of celebrating uniqueness. Classmate SpellBee provides an appropriate platform for students to identify their strengths and achieve recognition for their unique spelling skills. The property developed a wholesome engagement program with massive outreach through multiple platforms. The school contact program reached 750 schools in 27 cities, and more than 250,000 students took the test this year. Radio promotions were stitched through the entire tenure of the campaign. The property also drew tremendous participation through promotions in newspapers and schools, and innovative promotions at airports. The spelling fever spread like wildfire on digital platforms too. Classmate SpellBee's website made it possible for every eligible Indian student to participate online. A mobile app was launched for the first time that helps students participate in the competition, learn new words and play exciting and educative word games. The Facebook page saw a huge surge in engagement from children, parents and influencers. The number of spelling crazy fans grew to a whooping 190,000 plus this year. The official study guide was launched that explored etymology, word patterns and the study of homonyms that help students prepare better for the contest. The YouTube channel tickled the funny bone with animated videos about the property. Our brand PR exercises captured all the stages of the campaign. After the grueling battle on the online semi-finals, only the top 16 students of the country made it through to the national finals that was hosted by the one and only Soha Ali Khan. After a hunt that lasted over 4 months across every part of India, Anaga Sethuraman from Maharishi Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School, Chennai, shone through as Classmate SpellBee 2014's national champion. The national champion was awarded a grand prize of 2 lakh rupees and the opportunity to witness the prestigious Scripps National Spelling Bee 2014 with a parent in Washington, D.C., USA.
I think Classmate SpellBee is the ideal platform for students to showcase their spelling skills. The passion and excitement that these children bring to the competition is simply amazing. I'd like to thank all the students, teachers and parents who have come together to make this a stellar experience this year.
Classmate SpellBee 2014 has been a huge success. We promise to bring much more to the children of India in our next season. Till then, keep spelling it right.
Classmate!